So you've got your contacts in, but now what do? You can't just leave them in there forever, so I've got you covered. Before we begin, make sure your hands are clean and dry and you're in a well-lit area, and let's get started. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Griffin Durias, and my wife and I own Sight to See Eyecare and Eyewear in Geneva, Illinois. If you're watching this video, chances are you need a little bit of help taking out your contacts, and that's okay. Most contacts should be taken out every night so you can give your eyes a break and clean the lenses. This helps reduce the risk of an eye infection and helps to increase the life and clarity and comfort of the lens, so you definitely want to be able to take those out yourself. Before we get started though, remember that contact lenses are a medical device. So if you're having any pain or any other issues, it's best to consult your local optometrist for help. The first step is to always prepare. Make sure you're in a well-lit room with your contact lens case, solution, and a mirror nearby. Step 2, wash your hands. If you watched my last video, you know one of my top rules for contact lens wearers is to always wash your hands before you even attempt to touch your contacts. Don't forget to dry your hands, and this is key. Your hands should be drier than your mouth doing the saltine cracker challenge. I'm talking no moisture whatsoever, and trust me, this will pay off at the end. Moving on to step 3, you're gonna move your eyelids out of the way. Again, this should sound familiar if you watched the last video. Look down, and with your non-dominant hand, grab your upper eyelid as close to your eyelashes as possible and pull up. Then look up, and with your dominant hand, grab as close to your lower eyelid lashes as possible and pull down. This creates space to move the lens out of your eye. Step 4 is to remove the lens. With the pointer finger on your dominant hand, you're gonna touch that lens and you're gonna move it off to the side. You gotta make sure you're using the meaty part of your pointer finger and not your nails. Using nails to remove the contact lenses is one of the top reasons for ripping your contact. By moving the lens off of the cornea onto the white part of your eye, this helps prevent scratching your cornea. And don't be afraid to get your finger on that lens. Again, think of that contact lens as a shield. You can move it, you can bump it, and it won't bother your eye. Once that contact lens is on the white part of your eye, go ahead and use your thumb and pointer finger to pinch the lens and remove it. Now here's the good news. Getting the contact lens off of your eye is much easier than getting the contact on your eye. It doesn't matter if you have perfect technique or if you accidentally bump the contact off. Off is off. And that brings us to step 5, cleaning and storing your contact lenses. Once you've got your contact off, you're gonna put it in your palm, and you're gonna take a couple of drops of solution and put it on the lens. Then you're gonna rub it gently for about 10 to 15 seconds, getting any debris, lipids, proteins off. After cleaning your contact lens, then put it in your case. Think of it this way, you don't put your dishes away dirty and then clean them right before you use them. You clean them first, then you put them away. Same thing with your contact lenses. Another important reminder, fill up your contact lens case with new solution every night. Don't just top it off. Step 6, you're halfway there. Repeat the steps with the other eye and remove that other lens. Remember, always start with the same side whether you're putting in or taking out the contact lens. This helps create a habit and reduce mix-ups later on down the road. Guess what? You did it. You obviously got the contact lens in your eye and now you just got it out. If it took you a little while or you're still struggling, don't worry. Just rewatch the video and try again. Remember, everyone starts somewhere and no one was a professional on day one. Eventually you'll get to the point where you can take out the contacts mid-conversation with no mirror. But until then, to quote my childhood piano teacher, Mrs. Goodall, practice makes perfect. If you're new to wearing contacts, give yourself some time to adjust to the process. And always prioritize eye health by listening to your eye care professional's advice and maintaining proper hygiene. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions or what you want to see next. And as always, if you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to schedule your yearly eye exam and see the difference with Sight to See Eyecare and Eyewear.